Excitement over tomorrow's debut of the first ever Bitcoin futures ETF is helping the cryptocurrency hit the highest level since April. Kate Rooney's got the story for us. Hi, Kate.
Hey, well, this is seen as a legitimizing moment for the crypto asset class, and bulls have been betting that the ETF will introduce more new investors, which could boost prices. ProShares announcing Monday that its Bitcoin strategy ETF, which will hold Bitcoin futures contracts on the CME, will officially debut tomorrow, ticker BITO. And there are several others waiting in the wings with applications for similar futures-based ETFs. Optimism around these products has really been the main driver of a turnaround in sentiment that started in the beginning of October. Bitcoin since then is up about 40% for the month, and it's about 4% off of that all-time high around $64,000. Some have argued, though, that some of the good news around ETFs might already be priced in, and they warn of a potential buy the rumor, sell the news moment. We have seen that play out in crypto a lot of different times. There are others, though, saying, yes, this is good news, but it doesn't go quite far enough. They're lobbying instead for an ETF tied to the spot price of Bitcoin. Guys.
Kate, how deep and liquid are these futures contracts?
So they've grown massively since they launched a couple of years ago, and it's really seen as the way that institutional investors get in. And that's one of the signals that people look for in terms of institutional interest in Bitcoin, because they are more often likely to go to the CME and buy futures versus go and open a Bitcoin wallet on one of these exchanges. So I don't know the exact market cap, but they have grown really since their inception just a couple of years ago. But the spot price is really seen, I think, is the next step, but this is sort of the first step in getting there when it comes to an ETF. The SEC, though, saying this is the safer, more compliant version with the CME as a middleman.
Got it. Kate, thank you. Kate Rooney.